Hello guys, good morning. So, now mag-unboxing tayo ng parcel from our whitey friend, Girly Sena. This is a gift. Girly Sena's giving me a gift, guys. So, thank you so much, Sis Girly Sena, and to your sisters. And God bless you always and your family, Sis Girly Sena. So, guys, I will unbox this gift for me from Girly Sena. Let's open it, guys. So, ayan, nabuksan na natin. Itong gift niya na ito, gamit na gamit ito, guys, para sa atin pag may pupuntahan tayo. Gamit ito palagi, lalo na ngayong yung summer, mainit ang panahon. Gamit na gamit ito, guys. So, thank you so much, Sis Girly, sa gift mo. Di ba? Meron pa rin tayong mga mabubuting mga kaibigan sa whitey world, guys. So, ayan, mga nagsisend na bigla na lang kukunin yung mga address mo, then sabi nila magsesend sila sa'yo, may ibibigay. Diba? Sarap sa pakiramdam, guys. Yung ganun yung mabibigyan ka ng friend mo, ng mga gift. Yan. Sila Sis Chrissy Moma, sila Sis Des. Yan. Sino pa yung mga nag-receive? Yan, Sis Girly. Sino pa yung mga nag-send sa akin? Yan. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Very appreciate ko yan, guys. So, ito, tumbler siya, guys. Ang ganda. Yan. Ang ganda ng kulay. I like this. This one, my favorite color. As this, maybe this is pink. Then this is for my Yasachi. Yan. So, papalitan ko na yung tumbler ni Yasachi kasi palaging siyang nagli-leak yung bagong bili ko. So, ito, guys, ito is 500 ml. What's this? It's this 1 liter, Sis Girly. 500 ml and this is 350 ml, I think. Yeah. Or this is 500 and this is 1 liter. So, I don't know, guys. But, I'm very happy to receive this gift for me. Thank you so much, Sis Girly, for sharing your blessings to me. And God bless you always. And this is, guys, beautiful. And thank you so much. This is tumbler. Yeah. Very usable, this one. Lalo ngayong summer, mainit. Pag lalabas ka, lagay mo lang sa bag mo. May tubig. Need ng tubig talaga, guys, na palagi tayong may tubig sa bag pag ganitong mainit. Lalo dyan sa probinsya, sobrang init. Kaya, you always drink a water, guys. So, yan. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. So, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!